for the past few years, we have been working on the colored particles that are deposited on the snowpack. So it can be dust particles that are coming from Sahara when there is a tempest over Sahara, which is bringing all this dust from the sand over Europe, and it turns the snow into a very spectacular orange color. It's also coming from the smoke from cars and from factories, which are producing super fine particles of black carbon, which are turning the snow into something which is more grayish and more black. And what we do is we try to calculate and to estimate what is the impact of this particle deposition on the snowpack. The main idea is that when the snow color is not white anymore, when it's darker, it will melt faster. Due to the change in color, it's absorbing more solar radiation. So for us, it's exactly the same when we stand in the sun and we have a white shirt. We are less warm than if we wear a black shirt. So it's the same for snow. Black snow is more warm than white snow, so it melts faster. So for example, we have been able to demonstrate that for the French mountain range, so over the past 40 years, black carbon plus dust is responsible for shortening of the snow duration on the ground of more than 2 weeks. So 2 weeks, it's a lot because it will change the timing and the duration on which the water is available. So for hydropower, for ecosystem, for ski, for everything. So we work first in office, so using model and computer, but we also work in the field. So for example, for this dust investigation, what we did is that we went to a field site which is close to Grenoble, so called du Lautaret. It's 2,000 meters high in elevation. And during 2 winters, we went there every week. We were doing a snow pit in the snow, and we were sampling every layer of snow with small boxes like that we were then bringing back to the lab, where we were analyzing them for knowing how much dust and how much black carbon there was in the snow. So, and then by comparing the results that we have in the field and the results that we have from the model, we are able to say if our model is good, if we have to change something, and then we can apply the model over larger period and also larger areas.